Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to present to you an incredible opportunity, a brand new house for sale in the picturesque location of Kindelpitiya, along Bandaragama Road. Join us as we take you on a virtual tour of this stunning property. Nestled on a spacious 10 perches of land, this modern home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and style. With a generous 1365 square feet of living space, this house is designed to accommodate your every need. Step inside, and you're greeted by a bright and airy living room, perfect for relaxing with family and friends. Adjacent to the living room is the dining area, where you can enjoy delicious meals together and create lasting memories. The heart of any home, the kitchen features modern amenities and ample pantry cupboards, providing you with both style and functionality. This house boasts 3 spacious bedrooms, offering plenty of space for rest and relaxation. Additionally, you'll find a well-appointed bathroom and a convenient servant toilet, ensuring utmost convenience for you and your family. Outside, you'll find a dedicated car parking area, providing secure parking for your vehicles. Now, if you're interested in making this beautiful house your home, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the provided contact number 724,364,144. Seize the opportunity to own a brand new house in this desirable location and start creating memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more amazing properties and real estate opportunities. Until next time, take care and happy house hunting.